Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and it's always a joy to be with you. We have another beautiful week, and we are going to continue on our theme of mentoring. Before we start, I would like to welcome those who are here for the first time and everyone else to this beautiful day and a time of continuing in our learning. If you are here for the first time, I would like you to know that we build our programs one on the other, and therefore we have like it in a series. So you would be better off if you listen to the previous series in order to get every information that we are giving here. And also, I encourage everyone to invite your friends to watch with you, share the link with someone, and we look forward to having wonderful time. Well, we started talking about mentoring, and today we're going to continue. We will be looking at some of the benefits of mentoring. We have already said that a mentor is someone who looks for what is best in others and guide them and help them to become who they want. Mentors don't produce a second of themselves. Mentors don't, clone. Mentors look for people who have something to give and will direct them so they become themselves. So some of the benefits of mentoring is that mentoring simplifies complex issues. That is, with a mentor, things that the mentee may not understand, because the mentor had gone through maybe years, 20 years, 30 years back, he can instantly, resolve the puzzle, tell the young man, hey, look, this is the way it's supposed to be done. So when you have a mentor, complex, situations can become very, very fundamental and very easy for you. And a mentor would always, like I said previously, would always encourage you to keep going on and keep on making progress. Also, benefit of mentoring is that with a mentor, you are less likely to make, lots of mistakes, because a mentor has been there and can let you know what to do and how to avoid the mistakes. So it reduces the time of trying if it will work and making, errors, but then a mentor knows the way, so he will direct you through it. Also, the mentor can point out to you the basic distractions that can deter you from, achieving your goal, and so you can, stay focused. A mentor also connects you to other people. He widens your scope and gives you a bigger networking opportunity. It is very, very important to know these benefits that we have when we have mentors. And a mentor would also be ready to listen to you and also give you assurance. It is very, very important. When you are being mentored, there is the likelihood that some of the qualities of your mentor would be in you. As a protege, what are the things that you need to, sort of do in order to represent whoever has imparted you well? One, you must take personal responsibility. The responsibility to work hard, the responsibility to follow through instructions, the responsibility to become who you are expected to become should be priority for you. You must also, if you want to be a good protege, be committed, and you should have enthusiasm. You should be, all happy about what you're doing. You shouldn't feel shy to express what is happening or tell somebody about, what you're doing. Because if you have a good mentor, he keeps encouraging you, and you are getting better by the day. So you won't have time to just go talk negative. An attribute of a genuine protege would also be the willingness to follow. He has patience. He would wait when he has to. He will move when he's told to. And he will be very, very submissive. That brings us to another point as a benefit, that when you are benefiting from mentoring, then you are also in a position to stay humble. You should be teachable. You have a teachable spirit. There are many people, they feel what they're doing is what is supposed to be done, so nobody can advise them. But if you have been that way, if you know some stuff, you can be looking at a young man and you say he's going to fail in 5 years. It's not by prophecy, it is by the seeds that we are, sort of seeing. So it is always good to also, get a second and maybe a third information before you go out, to say something. So benefits of mentoring also brings some kind of respect onto you, the mentee, because how your mentor is known in the city is how you will be related to. So imagine that if you have a great mentor who builds certain, primary landmarks in the city, and then you come up as a son of this great man, and you have not been mentored in the way, you bring shame, you bring dissatisfaction, and you totally, get out of whatever it is that you're working in. So being a mentor, a mentee, you must learn every trade. You must ask questions whilst you are under the trainer. And one day, definitely, you are going to, emerge as a fulfilled, person. A mentor, one of the benefits also is that through mentors, you can learn to give accountability and feedback to things that are happening in your life. It is very important that we embrace these things. Next week, we will look at a few items as we conclude on this topic of mentoring. But like I always say, there are thousands, if not millions, of information. But if we bring all kinds of information to you here, some of you, your brains will blow out. But I believe that this is what we have to share with you. So get ready. We'll see you again next week. Enjoy your day and have a wonderful week ahead. Bye-bye.